Are you looking for a way to make money that doesn't involve getting a job? If so, you're in luck. There are many ways to make money from money. In this video, we'll discuss a few of the most popular methods. In order to make money from money, you need to invest. This may seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. If you're just starting out, there are a few basic things you need to know in order to get started. First, you need to decide what you want to invest in. There are a variety of options available, so it's important to do your research and find something that fits your interests and budget. One way to create passive income is to invest in real estate. When you invest in real estate, you are buying property that generates income for you without requiring much work on your part. Passive real estate investing. Let's talk about the top 3 ideas for passive real estate investing with which you can earn thousands, if not millions, every month. You can invest in real estate without having to be physically present, which makes it the perfect investment for those with busy lives. Back in 2020, when the world almost shut down completely, the housing market kept growing. To save our economy from a gigantic collapse, our government decided to give subsidies to the commercial banks through which investors were able to take loans at crazy low interest rates. This did help the economy to stay afloat, but the inventory of houses in most of the big cities went down a lot. Now, when the Fed is increasing the interest rates on the borrowed money, the housing market is looking to get normalized. This presents us with a passive real estate investing opportunity. We will discuss different methods with which you can not only earn money but also build wealth. There are a few different ways to invest in real estate passively, and each has its own set of pros and cons. One of the most popular methods is through rental properties. You purchase a property and then rent it out to tenants. When you're looking for rental properties to make money passively, you'll want to consider a property that will give you a steady return on your investment. This could be in the form of a monthly income from rent or through capital appreciation over time. There are several things to keep in mind when searching for passive real estate investments. Firstly, make sure you understand the market conditions and what to expect in terms of future growth potential. Buying a rental property in a nicer neighborhood can not only be helpful with cash flow, but also in the appreciation of the property over time. This way you will get double the return on your investment. Secondly, look for properties that are low maintenance and have good long-term tenants in place. You can make your rental property cash flow positive as soon as you figure out these 2 things. A long-term tenant that can stay and take care of your rental property can be a blessing. On top of that, if you have a low-maintenance property, the overhead will be small, making it cash flow positive from the get-go. Finally, try and find a good deal on the purchase price so you can maximize your profits down the road. When the interest rates go high, usually the demand for housing goes down. And that is the best time for you to find the property of your liking at the price you think is fair. Buying a rental property in a seller's market is not only tough, but you may end up paying over asking price. This can result in paying over appraisal price and consequently reducing the cash flow for you. Passive real estate investing has another aspect as well, and that aspect involves you investing in real estate funds. Although you can't leverage the loan from your bank for this method, this opportunity can bring you a steady flow of income just like your rental property can. The opportunity here is to invest in real estate funds or trusts. This involves pooling your money with other investors and entrusting it to a professional fund manager who will invest in real estate on your behalf. You can become part owner of a real estate empire of professional fund managers' properties. This way, you will not have to deal with any of the intricacies and challenges that come with buying your rental property, but the margin for profit is less at the same time. The final option is to buy shares in a real estate investment trust. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are a type of investment that allow you to make money passively. With a REIT, you can invest in a pool of properties and collect income from those properties without needing to manage them yourself. This makes REITs a great option for those looking to make passive income with little work required on their part. I personally have invested money in REITs like Reality Income, Digital Realty Trust, etc. There are several different types of REITs available, so it's important to do your research before investing. Some REITs focus on residential properties, while others invest in commercial real estate. It's also important to consider the risk involved with any investment and make sure that the REIT you choose fits with your overall risk tolerance. REITs can be a great way to make money passively, but it's important to do your research first and understand the risks involved. Invest in stocks and shares. In times of economic recession, there are few surefire bets for investors looking to grow their total earnings. Many people put all of their eggs in one basket, investing in real estate or bonds. While these investments may be safe, they don't typically offer the same growth potential as stocks and shares. The most popular investment option is stocks and shares. If you're thinking about investing in stocks and shares, here are a few things you need to know. First of all, you'll need to open an account with a broker. There are many different brokers to choose from, so do your research before making a decision. Once you have chosen a broker, you'll need to deposit some money into your account. This is known as your margin balance. Next, you'll need to decide which stocks or shares to invest in. There are many different factors to consider when making this decision, including the company's financial health, its industry sector, and its price-to-earnings ratio. The best way to do this is by creating a portfolio that reflects your risk tolerance and investment goals. You can do this by yourself or with the help of a financial advisor. If you're willing to take a little risk, stocks and shares can be a great way to grow your total earnings over time. With careful planning and research, you can find investments that will offer you good growth potential while minimizing your risk. The next two ideas will surely excite you as they have a potential to make you a millionaire. Use a credit card points scheme. There are many people out there who are looking for ways to get started with a credit card points scheme. A credit card points scheme is a way of earning rewards for your spending. You can earn points for every dollar you spend, and then use those points to get free stuff or discounts on stuff you want. If you're one of those people, then you're in luck, because I'm going to teach you everything you need to know. To start with, you'll need to find a credit card that offers rewards points. There are many different cards to choose from, so it's important to do your research and find the one that best suits your needs. Once you've found the right card, make sure that you use it for all of your everyday purchases. This will help you rack up points quickly. In addition to using your credit card regularly, be sure to take advantage of bonus opportunities when they arise. For example, many cards offer bonus points when you shop at certain stores or online retailers. Use a high-yield savings account to earn interest on your money. Saving money is important, but it can be hard to do when you don't have a lot of extra cash. One way to make saving easier is to use a high-yield savings account. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, so your money can grow faster. To get started, open an account with a bank or credit union that offers high-yield savings accounts. Be sure to compare interest rates before you choose an account. Then, start depositing your money into the account. You can set up automatic deposits from your checking account, or you can add money whenever you have extra cash. The best part of using a high-yield savings account is that your money is always available if you need it. You can easily transfer funds to your checking account or use them to pay bills online. So, why not start saving today? Become an angel investor. Only a small percentage of the population has the means to be an angel investor, but that doesn't mean you can't get involved. Many startups and small businesses need funding, and you can provide it. You don't have to be wealthy to be an angel investor, you just need to be able to identify good opportunities and have the courage to invest your money. There are also ways for regular people to invest in startups without being an angel investor. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo allow people to donate money in exchange for perks or equity in the company. An angel investor is an affluent individual who provides early-stage funding for a startup company in exchange for convertible debt or ownership equity. Unlike venture capitalists, who typically invest large sums of money in exchange for a significant stake in the company, angel investors usually invest small amounts of money and may take a minority or majority stake in the business. Angel investors earn money by investing in companies that have high potential for growth. In return for their investment, they typically receive a percentage of the company's equity, which can be sold once the business has achieved a certain level of success. Angel investors also receive interest on any outstanding debt they hold, which can provide them with a steady stream of income if the startup is successful. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money, or to finance your business, angel investing may be a good option for you. There are a few things you need to know before getting started as an angel investor. First, you need to be comfortable with taking on some risk. Most startups will not be profitable in the early stages, and there is always the possibility that you could lose your investment. Second, you'll need to have some money saved up to invest. Most angels invest their own money rather than borrowing from friends or family. Finally, it's important to do your research before investing in any company. When it comes to angel investing, you need to manage your risks. You can't simply put all of your eggs in one basket and hope for the best. That's a recipe for disaster. Instead, you need to carefully consider the different ways that you can earn money through financing. There are a number of different options available to you, and each has its own set of risks and rewards. Doing your research is essential so that you can make an informed decision about which route is right for you. Remember, there is no such thing as a sure thing in the world of finance. But by managing your risks, you can increase your chances of success while minimizing your potential losses. Invest in yourself through education and training. In order to continuously grow and reach our potential, we need to be open to learning new things. That's where education and training comes in. They provide us with the opportunity to learn new skills and knowledge that can help us in our personal lives, professional careers, and money-making ventures. Education and training can offer us a lot of growth potential. For example, if we're looking for a career change, gaining new skills through education or training can give us the boost we need to make the switch. Or if we want to start our own business, learning about online marketing or bookkeeping can give us the foundation we need to get started. Of course, there are many other reasons to invest in ourselves through education and training. Sometimes it's simply about staying motivated and keeping up with current trends in our field. It is important to invest in yourself through education and training. With the right skills, you can make money from money. You can start by looking into online or local classes that can help you improve your knowledge in certain areas. There are many programs and resources available to help you get started. You can also look into mentorship opportunities to gain hands-on experience in your desired field. By investing in yourself, you are setting yourself up for success both now and in the future. Let's wrap up today's video. I wish you all good luck for the next big investment opportunity you get. Do stick around if you want to learn more about finance management and ideas that will get you started in exploring new sources of income. You'll find plenty of content about achieving financial independence here on this channel. Until then, subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now till next time.